PNG Jewelers.
The Mamata government faced a huge setback from the Supreme Court on Wednesday as it sought to challenge the CBI investigation in Sandeshkhali and Shahjahan Sheikh cases. The court, however, declined an immediate hearing, stating that the Chief Justice of India would determine the timing. The West Bengal government had urged a prompt hearing against the High Court's decision to transfer Shahjahan Sheikh's case to the CBI. Mamata's administration argued in the Supreme Court that special investigation team was diligently handling the case and handling it over to CBI was unjust. Following the Calcutta High Court's order to transfer Shahjahan Sheikh's custody and relevant documents in the Sandeshkhali case, a CBI team accompanied by Central Armed Forces arrived at the CID office in Bhawani Bhawan, Kolkata on Wednesday at 4:15 p.m. The Calcutta High Court had previously issued a contempt notice to CID instructing the final transfer of Shahjahan Sheikh to the CBI. The Supreme Court strongly rebuked ex-Uttarakhand Foreign Minister Harak Singh Rawat and former Divisional Forest Officer Kishan Chand on Wednesday for permitting illegal construction and tree felling in the Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. The court instructed the Central Investigation Agency overseeing the case to submit a status report within 3 months. The remarks stem from a petition filed by environmental activist and lawyer Gaurav Bansal opposing the Uttarakhand government's plan to establish a tiger safari and an exclusive zoo with caged animals in the national park. Justice B.R. Gavai, leading a bench with Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra and Sandeep Mehta, commented that this case reflects a blatant disregard for public trust principle by bureaucrats and politicians, accusing them of extensive tree felling under the guise of promoting tourism for commercial gains. Former MP from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, Dhananjay Singh, the MP MLA, has been handed a 7-year prison sentence by the court for his involvement in the kidnapping and extortion case of Namami Gange project manager. The special court in Jaunpur delivered the verdict on Wednesday, imposing a fine of 50,000 rupees along with the imprisonment. The case dates back to the May 10, 2020, when the MP MLA found sewer treatment plant manager Abhinav Singhal guilty of intimidation and kidnapping, leading to complaint against Dhananjay Singh and his associate Santosh Vikram. The plaintiff alleged that they kidnapped him, took him to the former MP's residence and pressured him to supply substandard material. Despite Dhananjay Singh's arrest and subsequent bail, the court's recent decision marks a significant development in the legal proceedings. The Delhi High Court has overturned the Delhi Assembly's decision to suspend BJP MLAs for the budget session, citing that the Privileges Committee should refrain from further action while the matter is sub judice. The decision was delivered by Subramaniam Prasad's bench, which had earlier reserved its judgment on February 27. The suspended MLAs had convened their apologies to the Lieutenant Governor, and their legal representatives argued that Supreme Court's precedents prevents indefinite suspension. The advocate contended that according to the Supreme Court's guideline, the maximum punishment for a first offensive is 3 days, and since this was the initial incident for the MLAs, the punishment should not exceed 3 days. The Karnataka High Court, led by Justice M. Nag Prasanna, heard a petition from restaurant owners challenging the state government's order prohibiting the sale and consumption of hookah. The state advocate K. Shashi Kiran Shetty, representing Karnataka, stated that a notification issued on February 7 enforced a ban on various aspects of hookah products, including sale, consumption, storage, advertisement, and promotion within the state. The argument emphasized that the ban now extends to the service of hookahs in restaurants, questioning the absence of the designated areas for this practice. The court inquired if any investigation had been conducted, to which the state affirmed that registration of FIRs, including demands for the comprehensive ban on smoking. The Karnataka High Court will resume hearing in this case tomorrow.